Okay, happy post-meridian or PM or evening, depending on your preference. I'm glad to have you joining me for another dash cam video. I hope that this will be another breakthrough video where you actually have something new. I haven't had a lot of videos. I've been working on other projects lately, so I haven't had time to do a video. Plus, my dash cam went out on me. It wasn't recording my dash camera trips, and every time I kept thinking it was like a memory card issue. So I finally took some time and finally tested the memory card, and turns out there was a bad memory card, but I don't know if the dash camera broke it or the memory card caused the dash cam to go out of service, because I used another memory card that was known to be good and it still had the same problem. So I was stymied, and at this point I thought, well, it's probably a good time to upgrade my camera. So upgraded my dash camera to a 2K resolution. I think it's 2K. And let me know in the comments if you like this video. And of course, subscribe. It helps me out. I'm trying to grow my channel. I started a new channel. It's called Oil and Gas Analysis. And that's been taking all of my time. And this is the first time I've done a dash cam video in months. I am really out of service. I'm trying to figure out I'm not trying to figure out YouTube. Most YouTubers are trying to figure out YouTube. I'm just trying to figure out how to create good content that's interesting. At this point, yeah, I'm trying to grow my channel, but I'm not too concerned about growing the channel as much as I'm interested in creating things that people would like to watch. There's certain people out there who like this. They like it when I go out and drive around and show them places that they've never seen. And that's kind of been the problem for the past year. I haven't really gone anywhere for the past 2 years. I haven't gone anywhere new. So this is yet just another trip from Beverly Hills to Kingman, Arizona. This is the afternoon. It's Friday. There's going to be heavy traffic. I'm going to use the toll road, so hopefully it'll shave off 20-30 minutes off of my trip. It's okay though. I'm rested. I'm in a good mood. Everything is going as planned. So, without further ado, I'll be quiet for a while and just let the road take over. If I find some stories in my brain that I can just turn around and turn them into something that's entertaining, I'll try and do that. But today is kind of a busy day. My brain is just going in 5 different directions at once. So I'm going to concentrate on the road. And I'm going to listen to music. And like I've said before in my videos, I don't give a damn if YouTube is censoring my videos or not monetizing them. I'm not monetizing my videos. I'm not trying to steal copyright or make money off of the songs that I play. So I'm not worried about getting copyright claims on the music I play. It bugs me. It's just music. It's music that's, I've purchased the CDs before. I purchased the music. I should be able to listen to it. And I don't think anybody on YouTube will be able to take my songs that I'm playing in my car and then turn them into music for themselves. Why would they do that? Makes no sense. Anyways, one thing I am doing with my other YouTube channel called, not YouTube channel, I'm sorry, I misspoke. My other video channel, which is on rumble.com, is called Oil and Gas Analysis. And the whole reason I started that channel is because I'm looking at it as a alternative to YouTube, because I'm so fed up with YouTube and their bullshit copyright issues and the things that they nag you about. I don't really care about them. I don't really care to be worried about them anymore. So if Rumble works, dude, I'm gonna totally transition over with that channel and this channel. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna try, if this works out, if this dash cam works out, I'm gonna put this video up here on YouTube and on rumble.com. And it would be nice and interesting if that video gets monetized and I start making money off of that sooner than YouTube. It's not that I'm interested in making money, but making money would be nice, right? Wouldn't you like to make money? I saw a YouTube, I'm sorry, I misspoke. I saw an Instagram post that said a lot of millionaires, they have on average 7 different streams of income. And I thought about it, I was